right? It's actually really fun. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay updated with the videos and be part of the family. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me at ToxicSRT, and also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well. So today we're gonna do something a bit different. We haven't really obviously done. We are gonna go around the canyons. My friend came and got me. We're gonna head out there. It's super early right now. It's about 6 a.m. We're gonna head out. So I'm gonna leave my Hellcat here. I'm about to hop in with my friend and we're gonna see what we got up for today. I'm not sure what we're gonna do on the canyons, but I'm sure we're gonna have some fun. Before going, let me show you guys the Hellcats. Look how beautiful the Hellcats are. Woo! And now it's time to roll. Let's get it. Already hit traffic and it's 7 a.m. so look at this. But this is nice though. We're about to go through this tunnel. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. It's just fired. Look at all the Porsches here. There's the M4 right there. Some more Porsches. Woo! Look at that. There's another one over there. They're looking nice here. Look, there's the M2. We got a GT 350 right now with us.
You all right? I told you.
Well, make sure y'all go follow him.
We're like, dude, you got some Ray-Ban Club Masters. I keep telling you, Diego, they don't fit you. They don't fit your personality.
Look at this. We got this one, and we got this one. This is an 18 Mustang, by the way. So we're about to head out. I'm about to hop in the AT GT, and we're gonna experience going around the canyons. So I hope you guys are ready for some good content. Let's get it. It's just fired. Here we got the GT 350 versus the 2018 Mustang GT. Check out LA. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. And we got the Shelby and the Mustang. Hellcat.
I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom. Don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you'll be dim. With my music together again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you. It's just fired.
Hellcat right up front, a Destroyer gray Hellcat. So the Hellcat let us through because, of course, the Hellcat can't keep up with the Mustang around these corners. Alright guys, so it's my turn to drive. I'm about to hop behind the wheel of the Mustang and take it around the canyon. I did do it before, but it was at night. It was foggy, but this time it's a sunny day and I'm gonna enjoy it. So let's get it, let's take it to the GoPro. Whoop. Just seen this did just fine around those canyons, and we got the GT350 as well. I had way too much fun in that Mustang, and now it's time to go home. I haven't even gotten breakfast. We woke up so early to go out, and it's been so fun. We are headed back home now. I am finally back home, got both the cars here, got the truck right there, and it's time to end the video. So let me know if you guys enjoyed videos like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn your notification bell on so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Make sure to always follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well. With that being said, I will see you guys next upload. Have an awesome day, and make sure you guys stay positive. Peace out.